What is this? Is this something teacher has prepared? She's adding glue in hand sanitizer bottles. How evil is that? Quick, the students are coming. Halt! You know the rules. You have to use hand sanitizer before you start your class. Well, it's no way or another, Sophie. Yeah, sure. Oh, this is looking good. Girls are not suspecting a thing. Go, Christy. Sanitize your hands from all the germs. Another day, another class. What? Why is my notebook sticking to my hand? Same, I can't get it off. Everything seems to stick to my palms. I'm just as confused as you are, Sophie. Teacher, you tricked us. Who said teachers can't have fun on their class days? Ugh, how are we supposed to study now? Teacher seems to be alert today. Is she checking the girls? Well, they look peaceful, studying hard and normal. Well, it's time for me to run for a minute. Both of you, stay silent and sit in your desks. Well, our teacher is very naive to think our girls are as peaceful as they look. Let's begin the operation. Take a coffee cup and put thicker paper on top, and then just flip. Clean surroundings to not leave any evidence. Quick, the teacher is coming. Seems nothing happened here. Oh God, she didn't notice. Time for me to have a little sip of my coffee. Here it goes. Ouch! That became quite messy. That's beyond our imagination to prank teacher like that. You and you. I don't ever want to see you in my class. Get out! Well, school's free for today then, isn't it? Remember these back from grade school? Here's how you can prank your friends with them today. Take out a small piece of Play-Doh and cut it into a square with a knife like this one. Once you have the square, take it into your hands and gently mold it to smooth the edges. See? Wrap the cube into a gum paper and… now just put it into an empty gum pack like this one. And you're all set. Ugh, I really could use this one piece of gum. Oh, hey Natalie. Mind sharing some of it? Oh, sure. Here you go, Sophie. Sorry for my misunderstanding. Here you are, babes. What? Yuck! What is this? Ugh, this is disgusting. What on earth is wrong with this gum? Ugh, this is awful. Hey, Jess, you want to see a trick? Look. Are you putting your hand in your glass of juice? What is this? Is Sophie drinking with her hand? It's some Alienware stuff. Do you like it, Jess? What? How? How is this possible? Do you have superpowers or something? Of course not, Jess. I have these. One for my mouth and another for the glass. To prank your friend like this, take a hose and use one end of your mouth and put another end into the glass. You're crazy. Crazy is what I like. Where did I put my orange marker? Hey, Sophie, can I borrow your orange marker? What? Orange marker. Can I borrow it? Oh, sure. Just a moment. What's wrong? Oh no, take cover. She's about to blow. Shoot! Here you go. Okay. That looks nasty. I hope you have some kind of hand sanitizer, Christy. Look at that. Aloe vera plant. I'll use that. For this trick, take aloe vera leaf and press it on a marker pen. Well, this has become very slimy. Hey, Sophie, thanks for the marker. Oh, sure, no problemo. Ew, I am going to throw up. Is this a ton of your snot? Yuck, I think I'm going to pass out. This is very nasty. For this next amazing school prank, you'll need an empty Coke bottle. We'll use one of my favorite things, Sprite. Let's mix things up a little bit. Pour all the Sprite into the Coke bottle and make it look more like a Coke. Pour some delicious soy sauce into the bottle till it gets dark. Brilliant! Now you have a bottle of Coke that completely doesn't taste like Coke. Not at all. How evil is that? Now get ready for some serious pranking action. Good luck, Sophie. Hey, Natalie, what's happening? I'm just going to take out my delicious ice-cold Coke here. Hey, Sophie, do you mind if I would have a little sip of your Coke? Please? Oh, okay. You can have it. Thank you, Sophie. You're the best. Oh, yes. Come here, you little baby. Oh, boy. Be prepared for some splashing all around. Oh, we definitely saw it coming. Ooh, that looks pretty bad. Oh God, what was that? This is very far from ice-cold Coke. Well, Natalie, look at the good news. You got your sugar intake for today. Some classes are so boring that you feel that you're about to drop dead sleeping on the desk. That's what is happening to Christy. I'll take just a little moment to relax. Quick, Sophie, this is a perfect opportunity for another great prank. Take a red pen and begin drawing cut wounds on your friend's arm. Put some white marker to have an additional layer of paint to make it look even more realistic. Then again fill it with red felt tip pen to finish up with your wound. When it's done, wake up your friend from her dreams. Oh God, what's happening? Where am I? Oh, I'm still in class. What's that? There's a wound on my hand! Sophie, what happened? Someone or something cut my arm! Oh no, Christy! I can't watch! Oh no, I have to run to the medical office! Christy totally lost it and ran away in panic. Nice work, Sophie. This is one of the ways to put your friend into panic. Another day in class. Another day Sophie is munching for snacks. I'll just take one of these. Whoops, I hope no one noticed me. Maybe just one more. Delicious. Is it that stolen food tastes better? Oh no, Jess seems to be looking for her cookies. What? Where all the cookies are gone? I'm sure I had plenty of them. Sophie, did you eat all the cookies? What? I haven't had any of them. Don't blame me. I know it's you. Your mouth is full. At least you could stop lying for me. I still can't forget how Sophie ate all my cookies and lied to me. It's very mean of her. I know, I have an idea. Yet this idea sounds pretty evil in my head. Yes, I'll just add some toothpaste on a cookie. That will look same as real cookie. Now just stick the tops together and here we go. What's up, Sophie? I'm sorry about my last time. If you want some cookies, you can just have some. Are you serious? For me? Thank you. Yes, have some, please. Too good to be true. Thank you. Oh, chocolate cookie with toothpaste should taste pretty minty. Ew, what is this? Yuck! What happened to the cookie, Jess? That's one way to get back on your nasty friend. What pranks do you like the most? Would you go to school pranking your friends? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for some more hacks and fun coming your way. Adios! Have fun!